isn't a card that you casually sign up for or renew year after year without giving the benefits a closer look.
Your first and best stop for fun is the airport lounge. Airport lounges are little havens tucked away inside of airports all around the world. They provide complimentary refreshments, fast internet, and most importantly, a peaceful space to unwind. Airport lounges are a valuable resource for frequent passengers. They act as peaceful havens on lengthy journeys, such as lengthy layovers on overseas planes. So, what are the different ways to get a credit card that gives you access to the lounge? For instance, if you have strong airline loyalty, getting a co-branded credit card could be the best option. However, if you frequently travel between airports and airlines, you might want to look into a travel card that grants access to a network of independently run lounges or a mix of independent and airline-operated lounges. In large airports, this improves the likelihood that there will be a qualifying lounge close to your departure gate. However, it's a good idea to think about whether you'd benefit from any other potential benefits that airline travel cards may provide before choosing one, such as earning miles and travel points, avoiding baggage fees, receiving companion certificates, and receiving free cabin upgrades. Keep in mind that not every airport lounge has the same amenities, and some have age and other limitations. It's crucial to research the network of airport lounges prior to applying for a card. Sometimes you get to access issuer-run lounges, allowing admittance to lounges affiliated with airlines on co-branded cards, and providing network membership often priority pass. For example, access to any United Club location is included with the United Club TM Infinite card. Nonetheless, your greatest option if you're searching for more extensive lounge access is a card that includes priority pass membership. While there are many credit cards available, just a select handful provide superior value. These credit cards work best for entering airport lounges. Number 1 is a Platinum card from American Express. This is the greatest card for people who wish to get access to a large network of lounges. You can enter more than 1,400 airport lounges globally with this card. Priority Pass Select membership, which grants them access to more than 1,300 lounges globally, is gratis for card holders. Additionally, when traveling with Delta, you can access the elite Centurion Lounges, Escape and Airspace Lounge networks, Delta Sky Clubs, and Lufthansa lounges. Additionally, an annual airline fee credit of up to $200 is included with the card. In the unlikely event that you find yourself at an airport outside of this extensive network without a lounge, you can use your Platinum card to purchase a day pass and receive reimbursement. Number 2 is Chase Sapphire Reserve. Priority Pass Select membership is available with a number of high-end credit cards, but not all memberships are created equal. Purchasing it with the Chase Sapphire Reserve entitles you to meal credits at specific airport cafes and lounges. This is helpful if you only want to grab a quick bite to eat on the plane or if lounges are packed. Among the fantastic eateries in the Priority Pass network are Bobby Van's Steakhouse at Terminal 8 at New York JFK and Landry's at George Bush Intercontinental Airport. At these businesses, qualifying Priority Pass Select members will receive an ample $28 credit per person. Authorized users receive their own Priority Pass memberships as part of this offer. Number 3 is a United Club Infinite card with 45 airport lounges across the globe. United Airlines offers travelers a cozy places to relax before takeoff. For $650, you can join United Club and have access to some Star Alliance partnered lounges. If you choose the United Club Infinite card instead, you can save $125. With this card, you can join the United Club for free and bring up to 2 adults or 1 adult and up to 2 dependent children under 21. To further enhance your travel experience at airports, the card also includes access to premium access travel services, priority check-in, security checks, boarding, and if available, luggage handling are also all included. Do you think credit cards give much easier access to airport lounges than all other cards? Do share your thoughts on this in the comment section. For more interesting stories and updates, subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon for notifications. Goodbye.